What's up, family? Man, we down 3.47% today, 239 bucks. We alright. Shit, man, I done been down thousands of dollars before. So this is nothing. This is like, what do I got an opportunity to buy? When you down, that's how you gotta think, family. Like, what can I buy? Well, y'all know what today is? It's day 30. Y'all, $5 a day challenge. Y'all 30 days in, pat yourself on the back. Give yourself a hand clap. Because when we started this, like right now, we got 895 XRP, right? On the road to 1,000, right? Let's see, let's get in here, $5. Let's get it. And we're not even worrying about it. We just, and it purchased 5 XRP. Y'all see that? That's okay. I'll take that. Now I'm at 900. I guess that made me feel better. All right, now we gotta go buy $5 worth of Bitcoin. I wish I could go buy 5 Bitcoin. Damn. Right now, but we're gonna go buy $5 worth of Bitcoin. Put that in. About $10 of XRP on accident. About $10 on accident, y'all. About $10 on accident. Y'all see that? $10 on accident, y'all. Y'all see that right there? $12 on accident. My bad, y'all. Just $5, y'all. You know, sometimes you buy a little more, and that's okay too. But XRP is sitting at 239. BTC, we got. Look at us. We getting up there. We got 0.009. All right. Now once we tick up from 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we'll have 0.01. Right? And that'll be 1/10 of 1/10 of a Bitcoin, y'all. So we getting up there. We just stacking, family. I'm just showing y'all simple, just consistency. It's gonna always pay off. Family, just keep chipping away. Don't worry about how much money you put in. Just keep chipping away, and at the end of 90 days, then you can look at it and be like, dang, okay, bet. You know what I'm saying? Like, bet. You might have got some extra money to dump in there, to throw in there. Like every little money that you get, like let's say you get an extra $100 and you can throw it in some stocks. Go ahead and throw it in there. You know, that's money to go to your challenge. Or go buy some shares or something. Like I got this chain link, right? I went and bought a few of them at 1860, right off in there. You know, because I like chain link. And I had a few and I got gaffled, you know. But it happens, you know. You live and learn. But we just stacking positions now. We got 120 shares of Misty. We still in that. We down still 17%, $675 in that one. You see? But it's cool. You know, they declare tomorrow, so they should let us know how much we're gonna get paid. But we'll see. We'll see. And then Nvidia, I take a little profit on it, and we went and got some chain link. Like that's how you gotta do, family. From positions, you gotta go establish other positions. Like when you see these cryptos dropping low, when you see these stocks dropping low, you gotta go buy them. Right now, y'all should have consistently been buying XRP, family. You feel me? So we on the road to 1,000. We sitting at 900. Got 100 more to go. That's just a few days. Not about 30 days. About 30, another 30 something days. We'll get there. We'll get there in 30 days, family. 30 days or so. We're gonna get to 1,000. You feel what I'm saying? We just gonna tick up a couple hundred every 30 days. You know what I'm saying? hopefully we can get a few hundred, and I might dump some money in. You get some money and you dump some money in. And so, and then you just push it, especially if it drops below a certain threshold, I'll put some more money in that thing, y'all. You feel me? I'm going to load up on that thing and pull up on the $2, $1.75, y'all. Ooh, y'all. I might go get 1,000 right there. Y'all not feeling me like that though. But this is what we looking like right now. We just still going in every day. Stay focused. Stay disciplined. Don't let nothing take you off your track, y'all. You are, the only one who know what's best for you. Don't let nobody count your money for you. Don't let nobody push you faster than you want to go. Run your race at your pace. I love y'all. Peace.